I have 30 minutes to do my hair, my makeup, get dressed, and all of that, and I'm going to be filming it for you. So let's just jump into it. I want to make sure that I have a super hydrated base because I am planning on wearing makeup, like actual makeup. I'm going to start by spraying myself with some water just to rehydrate my face. Give that a second. Then what I'm going to end up going in with is the Rhode peptide glazing fluid because I want to have a very hydrated plump base. But instead of the barrier cream from Rhode, I'm actually going to go in with my Beauty Pie triple hyaluronic acid miracle moisture cream, which looks like this, because again, I don't want dry patches. We have a last minute addition to the routine. I'm going to add in this phytocorrective gel from SkinCeuticals because my skin is looking pretty red and I want to take that redness down. So I just take a few drops and pat it into my face. It takes a little while for the redness to go down because this isn't really like a camouflaging product. It's just, it has ingredients that help soothe the skin and calm. So that'll take a little bit. In the meantime though, I'm going to add this, like I mentioned, the peptide serum from Rhode. I did a reel on Instagram about my experience using Rhode. I am going to do a full YouTube video on it. It's probably going to be pretty short since I only have 3 products, but I figured, why not? I've almost emptied this. This is the Beauty Pie. It's really good. I like it. Obviously, I like it since I've used almost a whole jar. Do I like it enough to resubscribe to Beauty Pie? No. But if you're a Beauty Pie member already, then I would add it to your cart. I'm not putting on SPF right now because I'm using the Tower 28 as my foundation. I'm going to rough dry my hair and then we're going to come back to makeup. If I had time, I would have like done hot rollers and like had really bouncy, you know, that 90s hair that is like super in. I don't have time for that, so I'm going to be using the Maximista spray from Orbe. It says to spray it all over, but I don't do that. I only put it where I need volume. Now I'm gonna blow dry and I'll be right back. I rough dried my hair. I don't have time to curl it or do very much as far as styling it, so I'm probably gonna throw on like this really cute headband that I got from Free People. So we're gonna move on to makeup. Again, I mentioned that I'm going to be using this Sunny Days Tower 28. I have it in the shade Melrose. It's been a while since I've used this, so I don't know if it's a color match still, but we'll see. I'm trying not to do my makeup in the viewfinder, but my mirror is this way. I like the Tower 28 because it gives me just enough coverage to like bring down my redness without it looking like I'm wearing a lot of makeup because I'm just really into light coverage. I'm not a full coverage type of person. So that's why the Tower 28 is like my all-time favorite foundation / SPF. For eyeshadow, we're going to be playing with this Dior that I got. It's a Quint in the shade New Look. I've literally not used this. I haven't even swatched it yet. Like, we still got the cute little cover on it. So these are the shades. I don't have time to swatch these, or I would. I'm just gonna put a metallic all over because I'm in a hurry. I'm using this shade right here. I might dip into this too because I really like that. This is definitely a formula that works better with a brush. Doesn't blend very well with a finger, so we'll have to remember that for next time. I'm gonna take this really sparkly shade and add it to the center. We're going to do the lashes with the Dior Iconic Overgirl. This tube is kind of getting near the end of its life, so I'm trying to use it up. Yeah, I think this is the last time I'm gonna be able to use it. It's just really dried. And then we're gonna stay with Dior and we're gonna go in with the lip glow oil in the shade, I think it's Rosewood. Yes, Rosewood. That may not have been the best color. Okay, now I have to figure out what I'm gonna wear. And that is the tricky part because I don't have a lot of going out clothes. Right now, I'm not buying clothes because I'm trying to lose weight and there's not really any point in trying to buy clothes until I get significantly smaller. So I've been wearing sweatpants and sweatshirts, which will fit no matter what size you are. It's gonna be around 48 degrees, so it's not exactly dress weather. I also don't have like leggings or pantyhose or tights, so my legs would be bare. So this is gonna be interesting to see what I come up with as far as an outfit. This is the best I could do. Again, I have my black bow. I'm wearing a blue shirt, black pants. I'm gonna throw on some black shoes, grab my black Madewell bag, and go. And like we're running behind, so can't talk anymore.